Welcome to South Aussie Shooting Channel. Today's review will be about these gloves I bought off of eBay. They're called Special Bird. They're real tree camo and they're waterproof and windproof, made out of polyvinyl, and these have 3 cutouts in the thumb finger, trigger finger and the middle finger. These have the picture of the tree on them, and Special Bird. It's 2XL and it has Velcro on the back of them to fold the fingers over, so when your finger sticks out it comes out there. It has elastic wrists. These gloves are a bit small for me. I've had a really big hand. There's polyvinyl here with the textile on it, and these feel really thin, so you can feel the gun properly with them. They're pretty warm. I'll demonstrate wearing them, and they also have a little clip here where you can pair them together. Putting them on, simple as sliding your hand in there, wiggling your hand around, and that's what they look with my hand. You can see the wrist goes back here. My wrist end of my hand ends here, so this is supposed to be a bit further back, I reckon. So you can see my hand is a bit bent because they're a bit short, so when I do that you can see the fingers. So when you want to get rid of them, and place your fingers through like so. And there's different types of gloves with cutouts in them. You can just get the 3 fingers, or you can get the mittens ones where it folds over the whole thing, and then it will just be cut off at the bottom. Or you can just cut the fingers off if you really want to. As they're cheap gloves, it won't matter. If you just wanted something to keep your palms warm, keep something on it for making the gun slip off your hands in wet conditions. And so I'll show you now with the guns in my hands. First we'll start off with the Smith & Wesson 686 and 6-inch. I got the gloves on, and that's what it looks like with the gloves on. You can still pull the hammer back and slide the hammer forward. I can open up the cylinder. You can see on this side, easily close the cylinder, open it, pushing forward, ejecting, closing, and firing. So if you're doing handgun hunting in the US, which we're not allowed to do here in Australia, unless you got the proper licenses and stuff, primary producer, putting down animals and stuff, this is what you'd use. Next up would be the STI. Here we got my custom STI semi-auto and 38 Super. These gloves. It also has the sticky pads on the side for the extra grip. So these gloves shouldn't lose the gun or drop the gun. This looks like this. You can easily get the slide back, break the slide. You got more room. It's because it's a custom pistol, it's a bit sharp with the edges, so using the gloves, it will reduce you getting cuts on your hands. You can easily pop the safety up. It's a bit hard for my pistol at the moment, but very easily can work it. on the right, left side, holding the pistol, thumb out forward. It looks like that. And then drop the hammer. You can, with the pistol, I can put my finger in the trigger guard without any problems, still firing it. All you do is bend the fingers back so you can easily use the gloves. Show you this side. Put your finger in the trigger, or use the cutout here to get more bit of a grip and pushing the magazine release easy, so easily accessible. For the other one that comes out here, you don't have to take it off, so it's very easily to get the feel of your handgun. And if you get cold fingers, I've been out hunting once and that's why I got gloves, because it was really cold and my fingers froze up with the shotgun, which I'll show you now. I have the shotgun with the camo gloves here, putting it up to my shoulder. You can still see I have grip on the firearm, and now my hands won't be cold next time I go out. It's really hard to handle a shotgun when your whole arms and legs are freezing on the back of a ute, chasing rabbits and stuff, so it gets there below zero around some places. So on this side here, it's a trap gun, the finger grooves at the top here. Still with the trigger finger, still plenty of room, and you can also bend the fingers back. The velcro's not that well done in here, doesn't really stick, but same thing. You got the trigger feel, so you can feel the trigger when it goes off, and that's the only finger that would be exposed to the elements, and rain and wind and stuff won't affect you. Thanks for watching the video, subscribe.